Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, my kids. In our last lesson, we discovered ways we can stay safe and protected while communicating online. Today, we will explore how people communicated long ago. We know that technology makes communication fast and easy. Today, computers send email around the world in an instant. Airplanes, trains, and trucks also deliver mail around our country and the world. What if you want to send your message over a distance without the modern technology? Hundreds of years ago, people used to communicate in different ways, like telling someone a spoken message, or by using animals, or by using fire and smoke. If you try to tell a message to tell it to another person over a long distance, this person will tell another, and when the message goes from a person to another, it may change. So, whispering messages to people was a good way of communication, even if it isn't the best way, as it isn't reliable or accurate. Also, in the past, people could use animals as pigeons, horses, or camels. It was a good way, but the animals get tired or lost. Would you believe that long ago, people used the smoke and fire to communicate over distance? It is one of the old ways people used to send messages, especially in cases of danger, to ask for help. It's a visual method of communication. As people fire a big fire, the smoke can be seen from a long distance. It's a message without using sound or words. Please open your book, page 206, to learn about communication long ago. Smoke signals. Long ago, people realized they could communicate using fire or smoke. Smoke from a fire can rise in different sizes, locations, colors, and patterns. Smoke can be used as a code to communicate a message. The message can be sent over a great distance, as long as the smoke is visible. If the distance is too great, a series or relay of fires can be used. Today, colorful smoke is still used to communicate in emergencies. Telegraph. Before there was a telephone, people could use a telegraph to communicate a message over a long distance. A telegraph sends a series of short and long clicks. The clicks are sent in patterns that can be matched to letters. Every letter is assigned a unique pattern. The person on the other end of the wire interprets the pattern of the clicks to spell words. The code used to send a message over a telegraph is called Morse code. So after reading, we know that Morse code is a pattern of dots and dashes, where we use sound to text our words in the form of clicks. Dot is known or represented by a short click, and dash is known or represented by a long click. Now, open your book to the page titled Morse Code. Observe the Morse code, then decode the words in front of you. Here we have the alphabet and the representation of each letter by Morse code. Let's try to solve those codes together. Look at the first code. We should replace each of these codes with the matched letter from this list to get the word and write it here. Let's check together. The first one is dog. Here, if we look to this dash and two dots, it is represented by the letter D or matches to the letter D. So we put D. Then we have 3 dishes. Search in the alphabet till you reach the 3 dishes. It is the O letter. And the G letter matches with 2 dashes and 1 dot here. So we got the word dog by these short and long clicks. Let's read the second one. Cat. And the third one, kid. If you want to say yes or no, you can just write the first letter and you can make many codes with your friends too. Today, my kids, we discovered how people long ago sent messages over distances. See you next lesson. Goodbye and thank you for listening.